Lunchtime's over. I'd offer to make you a sanger, but I can't promise I won't gob in it.
Franky.
Got nothing to say to you.
You're right when you said I was lying. I'm not stopping the sessions because of the rumours. You heard of the term transference? In a patient-therapist relationship, romantic feelings can develop. And when that happens, it clouds objectivity and that relationship breaks down.
You've got tickets on yourself if you think I've got the hots for you.
I was talking about me, Franky.
It's what you're in love with me.
No.
So you just want to fuck me? I can live with that.
I can't.
What are you afraid of?